Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hard Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to charge your remote from your Samsung Smart Monitor. So, as you can see, here we do have something like this. Using this, we can charge our remote actually, because we have to rotate it towards the indoor light. Outdoor it works too, but indoor works better to this remote, and this charges our remote right now. But if you want to charge it quickly, prepare yourself a USB Type-C cable and plug this cable here at the bottom of your remote here. Here you have the LED light that signals you that your remote is now charging. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.